Let's look at this question now. Sonu is a salesman. His annual target is to sell 100 water purifiers in the first 2 quarters of the year. First 2 quarter means the uh, 1 quarter is of 3 months, right? So 2 quarter means 6 months together. He could sell only five water purifiers per month. In the third quarter, his monthly sales average increased by 20% in comparison to the first 2 quarters monthly sales average. How many water purifiers Sonu will have to sell in the last quarter of the year if his annual target has been reduced by 10%? Okay, so first of all, his target is 100 water purifiers, but finally it has been reduced by 10%. So I can write the new target as 10% of 100 is 10. So 100 minus 10 would be 90 purifiers. Now, in the first 2 quarters, right? So in first 2 quarter, that is 6 months, he sold 5 purifiers per month. So total water purifiers sold were 30. In the third quarter, his monthly sales average increased by 20%. So if he was selling 5 water purifiers up till last 2 quarters, now in this third quarter, he will sell 6 because the 20% increase of this value 5 would be 6 numbers, right? So 6 water purifiers per month. So in third quarter, total water purifiers sold were 6 into, there are 3 months in 1 quarter. So total 18 are sold. So up till 3 quarters, 48 water purifiers have been sold, right? Now his new target is 90. So how many water purifiers Sony have to sell in the last quarter? So if I subtract it from the new target, I get 42 as the target for the last quarter. So correct answer to this question would be option C.